Dietary supplementation with seaweed extracts, impact on growth, hematology, and physiology of Nile tilapia, Oreochromis niloticus. By Janos R. Kotz, John Arman P. Tinio, Heldi Gardis B. Amista, Jonmie C. Kotz and Lemuel N. Idjao. The utilization of phytochemically enriched diets, particularly those supplemented with seaweed extracts, has gained attention in aquaculture for enhancing fish growth and health. This study was conducted to determine the hematophysiological response of Nile tilapia, Oreochromis niloticus, lineage 1758, fed with phytochemically enriched formulated diets. This was carried out for 90 culture days using 4 treatments where 3 out of 4 were seaweed supplemented diets, Capophycus alvarezi, Ulva lactata, Sargassum muticum. Treatments were distributed with the following: Treatment I, Control, Treatment 2, K. alvarezi, Treatment 3, U. lactata, and Treatment 4, S. muticum. In the growth performance, Treatment I reached the highest mean weight and length while lowest in Treatment 4. The highest mean weight and length gain was also achieved by Treatment I and lowest in Treatment 4. Survival rate was found highest in Treatment 2 and lowest in Treatment 4. In the case of GSI and HSI, Treatment I achieved the highest values while lowest in Treatment 4. The maximum SSI value was achieved by Treatment 3 while it was least achieved by Treatment 4. In relation to condition factor, Treatment 4 classified as fair fish, while the rest of the treatments attained the excellent condition. In the Gondal development, 27.27% are at stage I, immature, while 38.64% are at stage 2, maturing I, 20.45% stage 3, maturing 2, and 13.64% reached the stage 4, mature. With regards to the hematological response, Treatment 3 had the highest count of white blood cells while lowest in Treatment 2. In red blood cells, hemoglobin was least counted in Treatment 4, while hematocrit found least in Treatment I. Treatment I had the highest count of platelet while lowest in Treatment 4. The physicochemical parameters of water such as temperature and pH fell within the tolerable limits for O. niloticus culture. The result of the study shows that seaweed extract supplemented diets has no significant effect to the growth of fish within 90 days culture period. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel for watch more scientific research videos.